clapping for me, that's enough. But if you are clapping for God, jam those hands together again. I want to greet everybody good morning. Starting from the high table. You are all special people. But why I said we should jam those hands together for God in particular is because God Himself is the one that spared our lives so that we are around this year again. And I believe we are not just here present physically, we are here present in whole. We are here sound, we are here healthy. No one had to drag us here. And I believe we all came to learn one thing or the other from this gathering this morning. 2017 is winding up, and this is the month where everybody celebrates most. The uniqueness in this month is being celebrated this year. So I want the experts here and the upcoming experts here to jam their hands together for the one who has kept you alive to become an expert. Thank you very much. My greeting starts from the high table, like I said. After celebrating God, everyone on the high table, you are unique, you are special. Our father, Pastor Ibukun. Jam your hands together for my sister. This is Adetidoye. On the topic, expert secret. Expert secret. I have my first question from that topic. Who is an expert? Who is an expert? What makes a person an expert? What makes you call yourself an expert? You can't be an expert without knowledge. Knowledge is what makes you become good at what you do. Knowledge can be divided into two sections: educational knowledge, revelational knowledge. In many cases, the educational knowledge we receive is general. Everyone goes to school. But a part of it, which is called the revelational knowledge, is what most people don't have in common. The revelational knowledge is what tells you more to what perhaps your lecturer or your teacher has taught you. Some people call it insight. When you are asked, what did you learn about this? What did you gain about this? What is your insight? When you can answer, I have this other knowledge about this, and it's deeper than what you were actually taught. At that point, you have more insight than others. And briefly, an expert is a person who is very knowledgeable about or skillful in one area. A person who is a knowledgeable person about something, or a person who is skillful in a particular area. How many of us will be the next emerging expert now? Let me see your hand. The next emerging expert. Great. I would like to say there is no expert without a secret. There is no expert without a secret. For over 5 years, I've been having several invitations to speak on skill training and entrepreneurship. So it's an entrepreneurship development program I'm invited to anchor, which has a root from the federal government. And for so long, I've discovered that experts are made. Experts are not born. Either you make yourself what you become. You can't be born just that way. Thomas Edison is an expert, he's a scientist. Everybody knows him today in the world of science, but he was made. Many experts you see today are self-made. And I've discovered you can't become an expert in what you don't love, what you don't appreciate, what you don't do as a hobby, what you don't do when even nobody is paying you for it. And at that point, I would like to say, Sometimes you cannot become an expert under a boss. And sometimes you can't become an expert just as a salary earner. It's a day-to-day thing, there's a routine. You can't just become an expert there. You can become an expert in your own thing. What is secret? Secret is something that is kept or meant to be kept unknown or unseen by others. And the Yoruba adage says what our fathers used to is under the way. Am I getting this once more? Did I get it? Yes. So it's under the way. That is, there's a secret, even with the elders. And the elders are known for the secret, for the secret they have. Why? Because of the wealth of knowledge they have treasured over time. So it's not just because they are elders by age. They are elders and they are elders. There are some elders you want to go to for counseling. There are some elders you want to go to. Like we have a psychologist in the house. Educational psychologist. I'm a psychologist by training and by profession. Now, some people go to psychologists for training. Some people go to some professionals for business consultation. There are different kinds of experts. There are some doctors that are experts. When they are experts, we call them surgeons. These are people that have decided to specifically focus on a particular field of their study. So you call them, when they are experts, you call them surgeon. Not in everything. You may not be an expert in everything. You may just be an expert in one thing. Like my friend Dayo is an expert in business. He studies soil science. You may not be an expert in soil science. I don't think this thing has to do with soil at all, or what you are doing here has to do with soil. Does it have to do with soil? Are you seeing us planting anything here? Are you seeing loamy soil, sandy soil, this soil? Which one again? All this clay soil. Are you seeing anything? No. But there's a part that God has given to everybody. Experts. There's an expert everybody knows about, Ben Carson. He's a medical doctor, he's a surgeon. Okay, let's talk about experts in some of the fields you know. The founder of Facebook is an expert in social media. He's an expert. He knows what he's doing. When you mention Facebook, we know who is behind it. This young guy is about the age of some of us here, or some of us are older than he is. Are we together? Mike Zuckerberg. And he's doing great. In Nigeria, we can talk about experts in the telecommunication industry. There's some people that know him here already. You know the Mike Adenuga, you know Femi Tedola, you know Adibo Dangote, in business as well. So, even to the list of things you may think of, you may imagine, the people that sold your clothes, the clothes you wear, they started something. So if you want to be an expert, you must start something. Say, I must start something. Some people don't have to start all over again. Some people are doing something already. Is that not? Some of you are doing, like, there's some professionals in the house, some people that came all the way from Oyo and the lives. But some people, they would want to start. So, but nobody does a thing without starting. Starting is the first thing. You cannot become an expert without starting. We started this program IES some years ago, 2012 precisely. And over the years, there have been improvement. Over the years, there has been improvement in one area or the other. So you must learn to start. Tell your neighbor, learn to start. And if you have started, you need to improve. Improvement is what takes you to the level, in levels of expertise. If you say you are an expert in Nigeria, there are some people that are better in outside the nation, that is outside Nigeria. So you may be an expert in your own city, you may be an expert in Ibadan, for instance, we are in Ibadan now, right? And I want you to pen this down. Experts are recommended. Experts are recommended. If you're not an expert, you may not receive any recommendation. If you're not an expert, I'm not saying the person that made this before, and I don't think I'm going to say they have been doing, several. You feel it's important. No, I may not even patronize imported things. Someone made it. The shoes you wear as well, someone made them. One person made them. But many times we don't see the making. Many injuries. But what we just like is to watch the finished movies. And when we are watching the finished movies, we say, wow, that guy was good. Wow, that guy got it right. And you name the actors. You name the actresses. But while they were busy at work, we don't see them. It takes me to the popular quote. It says, everybody will announce. In fact, you may not have to announce yourself at that time, but your success will announce you. So successful people are not always seen. When they're in the carpenter's workshop and they are busy with the nails, with the hammers, they are not seen. So I want to believe that once you're starting your journey to become an expert, it means you are not quitting. It means you are not stopping. As the governor just asked me to announce to you, courtesy of Happy World New Game. If we don't have results, we can't be celebrated. We have results in this business. In just about 10 months we have joined. The organization is just a year old now. The organization is a year old, and it started last year, October. We joined recently, we joined this year. Alright, so everybody that's going to be reaching out for their food items, as my big brother, God bless you, sir, is the ICT man, and now he's a food man. Say food man. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Alright, before we proceed, we have a special guest of honor here in our midst. Ladies and gentlemen, join me as I welcome to the high table the CEO of Parrot Motil, join us as we usher into the high table. You are welcome, sir. God bless you. Thank you very much. You are welcome, sir. So, on this note, I want to invite Adedayo for the next step of action. Thank you.